Hi guys, welcome to Galbi's Kitchen. I am Galbi. In my cooking channel, I introduce how to cook Korean food in a very simple way but authentic taste. So if you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe to it. It doesn't take that long. Just hit the red button down below and then you are into my channel. Today I felt like kind of soupy day. So I made a galbitang, which is short rib soup. It was really simple, but I'm pretty sure it really is tasty. So I'm going to walk you through how to make galbitang. Let's get started. If you go to the Korean grocery store, you can find this meat in the frozen section. Open it up and then put it in a large bowl. Fill it up with water until all the meats are submerged. And then let it sit for about 2 hours to take out all the blood. It is a good idea to refill the water once or twice. It helps to drain the blood out completely. In the meantime, we can get ready some vegetables that we are going to cook with the meat. Cut 200 grams of radish into big chunks and slice 10 grams of ginger. And get a cheesecloth and throw gingers into it. And add 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. Add 1 samgyetang package. It's an Asian dried herbs. And this is just optional. So if you don't have it, don't worry about it. After 2 hours, throw them into boiling hot water and boil them for about just 5 minutes. And drain hot water. Be careful, it's really hot. Give them a shower with cold water. Make sure you clean them really nicely. Sometimes there are little tiny bone pieces. If you see this fat, we have to cut this out. You don't want to eat this. Alright, after you clean them, place them into the pot. And add radish and the cheesecloth that has all the other ingredients. And pour 4 liters of water. And boil them for about an hour over medium heat. You see this greasy oil on the top? Remove them with a ladle. After an hour, your house will be smell so good. Remove all the other ingredients except short ribs. You can cut the radish into bite size and then eat it with soup. And add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and add 2 tablespoons of mirin. If you don't have it, you can use white wine. And salt to your taste. And sprinkle some black pepper as well. That's it. You can transfer them into a bowl and serve it on the table. Yeah, it was pretty simple, wasn't it? Let me taste the soup. Wow, it's really good. Very tasty. Wow, the beef is very tender and moisture, and the soup is really good. Alright, I wish you guys enjoyed this recipe. It was really good. If you want to know how to cook Korean recipes, please check my other recipes on my channel. If you don't find it, please leave the comment down below and I will try to make them for you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!